Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow location data on the Endel application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now click on the second option saying Settings. Then scroll down till you find this Data Access section and click on the Allow Location Data. Now as you can see, you can decide from these three options: allow once, allow while using app, or don't allow. Tap on the relevant one. I'm going to tap on allow while using app. So now as you can see, you have allowed Endel to access your location, so this function of the application has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.